Good morning. How are you all today? How grateful are you today? Alam niyo ang sikreto ng being happy? Always grateful. In the morning, paggising ko, thank you Lord for the good sleep, for the good rest, for the good health, and for another new day. So, today I am so grateful dahil nakita niyo naman doon sa likod ko how beautiful it is. How beautiful the God's creation. So during this spring, ito ang pinaka-paborito ko. Sana nga, that will last forever. Kasi after few days, mawawala na yan. Dahil tutubo na yung lalabas na yung mga dahon at mag-turn out green na sila. And after few days or few months, magiging orange na naman yan. So, napakaganda. And today, dahil maganda pa ang cherry blossoms, naisipan ko na i-tour kayo doon sa malapit sa amin din na maraming cherry blossoms. So, I hope magustuhan niyo at mag-tour na tayo ngayon. So, tara! So, from here, nakita niyo naman sila, ang ganda-ganda ng aming paligid.